Hello guys, welcome to another video. We are trying out this game called Bait. Not a horror game, but at least I get to chill in a VR game. But guys, the point of this game is fishing. And yes, guys, I am black. Not in real life though. In this game, I don't know why but also guys, about my avatar, my avatar is a female. I don't know why though, but I just changed it like that when I got my Meta Quest 3. I forgot, how do you fish again? Oh yeah. Could you drink coffee? No. Could we grab the water bottle? No. So I want to catch an alligator. And alligator is gonna be hard. Look, there's other lights around. Could you change spots? No, you couldn't. What are those dolls? Oh, is that an alligator? Wait, oh no, mine? It's right over here. Let's see if anyone. Oh, let's go. Yo, what is that? Wait, what is that? Oh my. Oh yeah.
So I gotta go, chat. I gotta go.
Yeah, chat. Yeah, sure gotta go. Oh, why is the chat? Is that an alligator? No, that's not an What was my quest to do again? I should have not did that. Catch an wait, was that an, oh shoot. Bro! Oh my gosh, I didn't. Oh, let's go. Yes, alligator. Is that alligator? Isn't it? It's so hard to catch it. And also, guys, I know, like, I don't know why I'm already in Shave Swamp, but yeah, like at the start, I was in a different one. But I decided to, maybe record at this time. Yo, what? Oh yeah, Punk Pike. That looks like an alligator perch to me. I think. Was that? No, was it that? Yeah, that was its name. Okay. Back in my day, we didn't have these fishing rods. We had nets. Bro, these fish. Oh my god, why is there even candles there? Like, this is not supposed to be a Halloween swamp. This is supposed to be Shady Swamp. Almost got it, almost got it. Yes, what? Yes, finally an alligator perch. Finally. Now I could finally go to oh yeah, this is.
Shouldn't you be fishing right now?
Yeah, I'm already fishing. Oh no, why did I even press?
Howdy. So you got the alligator perch. Thanks a bunch. When you was out fishing, Dale stopped by. He's...
You know where I can get one?
My baby cousin Dolly Mae sells them. Calls herself Dharma Mae these days after... What can I do for you?
Hold on. Oh no. I want blue one. Oh, you couldn't get the blue one over. Okay, well, it's okay. Let's go to do the quest. Catchy 3-star zebra at Ocean Lake. Okay. You know, I actually am just gonna end it off there. So goodbye, guys. Remember to like and subscribe and comment too. I mean, yeah, comment if this game is really good because it's a really fun fishing game, and I recommend it to you guys. Because it's really cool. You get random fishes like bozo fish. Bozo fish? Bozo fish is right here. Anyways, goodbye guys. Thank you for watching and have a good day.